Okay, well it's, come on now. Okay, it's Tuesday, what, Tuesday 10 September, 10:22 in the morning. Alright, Tuesday 10:22, so whatever. Okay, 2024. This is a, let's see here. This is a really rare Brother OT-448, aka Sanyo M-X720, aka MRX5 Sanyo. Alright? But this is a Brother OT-448. Alright? And I got it. Never seen one. I didn't know Brother existed until recently, and that's all I can tell you. And it's just a, anyway, I used to have one a long time ago that I got from RG678 or 6378 or whatever from eBay or whatever, and then I actually went to that guy's house a long time ago, and anyway, and then I sold that thing without ever repairing it, which has really ticked me off to no end, because I couldn't repair it because it didn't have the right motor for it. So, and then it got set back on my back burner for not getting done or whatever, just so. Anyway, so when I saw this, and I've been pricing these things, they've been going for like really incredible prices, and like, well, I saw this and like, really? So, and I don't think anybody really knows what this is, what a Brother brand is, which is another brand for Sanyo. I didn't know this. Well, anyway, I was searching. I just didn't know Sanyo was the same thing as Brother or whatever. So this has really got some inventive packaging here. As I can see, it's got some tubing in here. Or packing material or whatever. It's just okay. So we've got some tubes. There's a tube. And a bunch of tubes. Oh, look at this. A bunch more tubes. And some more tubes. Okay. They didn't get damaged. And okay, well, we can just kind of dump this thing out because it's got the tubes on the top to protect the top. And then just, here it is. And there's, so yeah, they put a bunch of bubble wrap around it. There's now nothing in the box, right? Okay, get the box out of the way. We won't be keeping that box. We'll be keeping all this bubble wrap, which is just loosely tossed around this thing. So here it is. Here's the, uh-oh. Oh no. Well, no wait. Huh. No antennas. Oh no, but the antenna holes are not broken. And I know they screw in on the back, but here's just one broke-ass antenna. So, oh well, okay, well, I know I have some other antennas, so hopefully I have a pair that I can match to fit up in this thing, but here it is. It's got all its parts, got all the knobs. Great. Alright, so, and it says, what does it say? It says, okay, so it says right here, Brother model OT-448, full bandwidth, it goes to 108 on the FM scale. Looks like that. Got all its knobs. Doesn't have any antennas. Does have the battery cover and the full back, so let me just, there it is. Well, that's kind of bad lighting, but alright, so there's that, and then here's the back of it. Right, and then just let me flip it around and give you a view of the top. There's a view of the top, right? Okay. it's like that. So now, let's see what it does. So, let's get a plug it in. So the motor's running, the cap stand's turning, nothing else is turning. Can't hit stop, can't hit anything.
Warning, the following ZipRecruiter radio spot. Navy veteran. To them and buy lottery tickets.
His person to experience at games that they never would have been able to be at and only view on television. I hope it continues. I think it's a nice addition to other forms of immersive entertainment. I like the novelty of it, but I also like this.
And that was FM. This is AM. Well, so blips on AM. Well, okay, you're not going to mess with that all day. Okay, so that works. We'll figure out the rest of these buttons later. Okay, so got a mixing mic and that. Okay, so we need to find antennas for it. We need to fix the motor noise, which is, if you know anything about the Sanyos, the tape deck kind of sort of controls of the radio. All right, that would be power off theoretically, but it's still on because the tape deck is not completed its cycle because the belts are not there. So, anyway, that's my review of this. I need to find, let's see here, just show you that happily in this room I do have antennas. Alright, so see, I got a bunch of antennas I can figure out and finagle to put in there. So anyway, that's what we know about that. So I'll just take this off here and give you up close view and a little bit better light. Alright, so okay, so there it is in all its glory. Alright, like that. It's a brother. Okay, and it's got that, and anyway, whatever to see there. And then here we've got that there, right? It's missing the antennas, but it's got the catches, okay? And that, alright, and then on this end we've got whatever that says. It's your headphones and your, I guess, external speakers and your beat cut. And then in the back we've got your microphones. That's probably phono and phono or line-in switching. Ground for your phono. Line in, line out. It's got a battery cover. Okay, so, and then is there any, what does this say? Who knows? Okay, is there a model number? Let's get this better light. Is there any model number? Nope. It just says, well, here. It just says that. And then the rest of this stuff. Alright, so well, I'll pause the video myself and look at this, but okay. Alright, well, still, it has possibilities. Alright, so good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go.